The government set aside 60 billion shillings to combat floods. This is in addition to another 17.5 billion shillings infrastructure kitty that the State Department for Infrastructure allocated to fix roads destroyed by rains. This year, over 800,000 Kenyans have been affected by floods, according to the United Nations Office for the Coordination of Humanitarian Affairs. Hundreds of people were displaced, roads rendered impassable, schools and hospitals became inaccessible, swathes of farmlands destroyed. Floods and droughts are becoming more frequent due to climate change. This rainfall, which is 4 times the normal average, came on the heels of a devastating 4-year drought. Just a few months ago, many of the counties worst hit by the floods like Wajir were barren wastelands littered with animal carcasses. Garissa is also another county that was hit hard by flooding since the rains began in March. The management of emergencies arising from droughts and floods can be organized into 5 stages: prevention, protection, preparedness, response and recovery. The response to these emergencies will require effective coordination among several institutional and non-institutional actors. While the state has the overall responsibility of reducing disaster risk, managing risks is a shared obligation between government and relevant stakeholders. Water harvesting could be one of the solutions to deal with the floods crisis. Kenya is a signatory to the Sendai Framework for Disaster Risk Reduction, which commits nations to address disaster risk reduction by building resilience to disasters within the context of sustainable development and poverty eradication.